Students, in this video we are going to discuss pH of salts. That means we have to discuss that given salts are acidic, basic or neutral. So students, we require here the aqueous solution of salts. So we have taken sodium chloride, potassium nitrate, aluminium chloride, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium nitrate, or sodium acetate, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate as a sample. So first of all, dissolve any one of the salt in the test tube, right? That solution is called as aqueous solution. So what we have to do, see, suppose it is an aqueous solution of NaCl. Aqueous solution means water is present here. So ions present in the solutions are sodium ion, chloride ion, H ion and OH ion. These ions are present in the solution. See students, here there is a strong acid and strong basic solution is present. So they neutralize with one another and give us neutral solution. So we can say that this given salt is neutral by nature, right? Now let's take the example of another salt. We have taken sodium acetate. Sodium acetate, the formula is CH3COO Na. Right? When we dissolve in a water, we have ions CH3COO negative, Na ion, H ion and OH ion. See students, 4 ions are present, 2 are cationic and 2 are anionic by nature. So there is the combination of weak acid, that is acetic acid, and the combination of strong base, which is NaOH. So certain amount of acetic acid is neutralized by NaOH, but the amount of NaOH, and NaOH is a strong base, so the given salt, which is sodium acetate, is basic in nature because strong base is present, that is NaOH. And when it is formed, when we take the aqueous solution of sodium acetate. So I think this is clear to you that given salt may be acidic, basic or neutral, right? Let's take the another example for the acidic solutions. So now we can take the given salt, which is zinc sulfate, and dissolve in water. The formula of zinc sulfate is ZnSO4. When it is dissolved in water, ions present are zinc ion, sulfate ions and H ion and OH ion. Zinc hydroxide is formed and the combination of acid is H ion and sulfate ion, that is sulfuric acid. As we all know, sulfuric acid is the king of acid. It is the strongest acid. So little bit amount of zinc hydroxide, which is basic in nature, is neutralized, but overall solution is acidic by nature. So this is the best way to find out the given salt is acidic, basic or neutral with the help of our chemical equations. Otherwise, we can find out the given salt, aqueous solution of given salt is acidic, basic or neutral with the help of pH strips. Right? Now, we are going to discuss the chemical from salt, common salts. See, if we are going to discuss the common salt is NaCl. So, student, we have to discuss the raw material for the given chemicals and how it is produced and what are the chemical utility of these given salts. So students, as we all know, NaCl is a neutral salt. I think so it is clear कि NaCl is a neutral salt. So, and it is called as common salt, right? So, student, first of all, we are going to discuss about the sodium hydroxide, NaOH. So, how it is produced, we are going to discuss. This will discuss in another video.